This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Today we're working on short I words. Let's review when the letter I makes the short I sound. When I comes before a consonant, it usually makes the short sound eh. When I say eh, my mouth makes a kind of smile. Eh. In this word, I comes before the consonant P, so it makes the short I sound eh. When we sound out words, we say the sounds for each letter and then we blend them together. Let's sound this word out. L, e, p. Lip. Let's sound out another short I word. S, e, t. Sit. Sometimes it is helpful to sound out and blend the first few sounds before adding the last sound. Like this. S, e. These first letters say si. Now, let's add the last sound and we get sit. This picture shows a trash bin. Bin. Which word below spells bin? Let's sound out each word to find out. Six. Six. This word spells six. But this picture shows a bin. This is not the right word. Let's sound out this word to see if it matches the picture. B-in. Bin. This word spells bin. It matches the picture. Now let's try one with words that look very similar. This picture shows a wig. Which word below spells wig? Both of these words start with the same two letters, W, I. When we sound them out and blend them, we get wi. Now, let's see what the last sound is in each word. Wig. Wig. This word spells wig and matches the picture. Let's sound out this word just to be sure we're right. Win. Win. This word spells win and doesn't match the picture. Let's practice one more time with two more words that look very similar. Which one matches this picture of a fin? Fix. Fix. This word spells fix, not fin. This is not the right word. Fin. This word spells fin and matches the picture. This is the right word. Great job sounding out short I words and finding the word that matched the picture. You're ready to go sound out more short I words on your own.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.